NBA All-Star Weekend, you guys. We're out in Inglewood. Duke got a Jordan pop-up store. It is packed. This is Manchester and La Brea. Bad boy opened at 8 o'clock. We got a huge freaking line. It's currently 9, I think. Yeah, 9 o'clock. Got a huge line. All right, apparently entrance is on the south side of La Brea. All right, first you get a wristband, then you go through security. They got media entrance, your boy not big enough for that, so retail entry right here. So we got the big ass line. All right, it's 10:40. I waited an hour and a half to. I can't do it. I can't do it. Still had I still had over an hour to wait. I can't do it. I tried. I tried to see if I could get a media pass. I knew I couldn't, but it was worth a try. I got stuff to do. To go pick up my kid from school in a bit too. After that, dude, I'm done. All right, guys, that was my shopping experience during NBA All-Star Weekend. That was Friday, and it's currently Saturday. Happy Valentine's Day if you guys celebrate that. Whatever. But yeah, I wasn't a fan. Security there was awful. They allowed people to cheat left and right, and a bunch of fools didn't want to get into fights and stuff. So there really wasn't much. The line up front kept getting bigger. The line behind me got smaller. It was ridiculous. I waited an hour and a half. I was talking to the dude next to me, and we're like, we probably got to wait another hour and a half. I'm like, I'm not waiting 3 hours. On Thursday, opening day, they had all kinds of stuff because the DNA show, aka was it DJ Sneakerhead, that fool was there. He got a media pass, and he was showing all the stuff they had. They had 414s, they had the SB4s, they had all kinds of stuff. And the day I went on Friday, they only had the Laker 4s. That's what I saw people getting when they came out. I talked to one or two people. I should have got that on camera, but I was in such a hurry to try to get in line that your boy missed out. But yeah, they had the Laker 4s, and then I was thinking about it, I was like, dude, it's pretty much all resellers there. And those were the ones cutting in front of the homies and that type of stuff. And I was like, I ain't trying to get into a fight, whatever. But yeah, I was looking at one of the resale shops websites. They were selling them for $400. They were getting them from a lot of people that got it there. That means the resellers were selling them for what $300, $325 maybe. Because the resale shop's got to make a little something. So I'm like, y'all waited in line for hours and hours for $50, $75 profit? Really? That doesn't make sense. Really? Y'all waited in line for 2-3 hours and then drove there, all that type of stuff for $50, $75? Really? That's crazy. But whatever. If that's your gig or whatever, that type of stuff. There are other places or other stores. There's LA Live area. I know they got quite a few things there. They got that Foot Locker pop-up and that type of stuff. But I don't know. I thought security at the Jordan store would be a lot better because there was all kinds of stuff popping up at the Foot Locker pop-up on opening day. There were all kinds of fights in social media. People were pushing. Security had a really tough time there, so I thought they would have learned from that event. That's why I thought things would be better at Jordan. pop-up store, but nah, not really. Not really. Not every experience is like this. I did hear from some of you guys that have been making your rounds, and plenty of the regular stores. Chic out in Culver City, they had drops. I think that like the White Thunders, a lot of places had the Gammas, the Black Cat 4s. A lot of places had different things. I think Hollywood Foot Locker had stuff. You know, I think Foot Locker showed everything. Showed all the stores that they were having special things at. I think Converse has a store right now. JD Sports has a store out in Inglewood. You have to be on social media. Sneakers website shows a lot of stuff as well. So I hope you guys are following all the important stores on social media, and hopefully you guys are getting information from like the big sneaker news pages. J23 app, they're pretty good. Sneaker news. I follow a bunch of them. I don't know what the hell. But yeah, some experiences you're gonna be wasting time waiting in line. Some you're gonna be able to buy stuff. But there was nothing I really wanted to buy. To be honest, I just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff. I ended up going to Nike Watts, which was empty. All the resellers were the ones that normally show up weren't really there. So I was able to cop a couple things. I was actually pretty happy. They had a few Kobe's there as well. I'll give you guys a sneak preview. But yeah, that was it, man. I was kind of disappointed. I was gonna go to LA Live today. I got home a lot later than expected last night. My kid's not even up yet, so I don't know. Maybe I'll go. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just do stuff with my kiddo today. I don't know. But happy All-Star Weekend. Hope you guys come up if you guys are trying to go to places. Just wait for lines. I know they have a bunch of stuff. They have stuff at the Intuit Dome because obviously that's where the game is at today, and then they also have stuff at LA Live and stuff. But if you're out for a cool experience, I think you can get some dope experiences as long as you're okay waiting in line. But sneaker stuff, man, lines are freaking crazy. You know, I don't know. Maybe the Jordan store, maybe it'll be better today. I don't know. Foot Locker. There's that Foot Locker out in downtown, but there's also a bunch of other Foot Lockers that are doing stuff. So good luck, you guys. Good luck. I don't know. I might be done for the day. I don't know. We'll see. But got plenty coming though. Gonna hit up sneaker shops. I know that. So got plenty coming. See you on the next one. Peace. The NBA All-Star Weekend. Kobe 3 Halo Pro Tros. And look at this. I'm thinking about it. We get 30% off. Checking these out. I wanted to try it on, but look, they tied the shoelaces together real quick. I'll show you guys this. Look at this, even cheaper. All black, 50 or less than 50 bucks. Less than $50. The cheapest Jordan 4 RM we've ever seen. Holy crap, $42 for Jordan 4 RMs right here. 42 bucks, 48, but that one was marked slightly imperfect. Mine's just gently worn. So okay.